Alright, I think we got an audio issue, but we're just going to roll through it here. Anyways, I'm going to show you a little trick how to earn 10 cents a day with a cool little automation bot called a macro. In order to do this, you have to be a member of Paidverts, and I'm also going to touch on briefly why Paidverts is a great platform to be a part of. A few reasons. Firstly, all of their financials are transparent, so they post all of the information. You can find it in the forum. You can go over to their umbrella website, My Traffic Value, and see all the projects that these guys are working on. Paidverts is one of my favorite ones. It's called Paidverts because you basically get paid to advertise. So I think one of the best things about Paidverts is that it's got good MLM network marketing traffic there, especially incentivized type of traffic, get paid to do something. So there's lots of sites like that you can really earn well if you're making referrals. So if you can have a good advertising source, then you could do well with those without even really having to do the work yourself. The great thing about Paidverts is that they give you 120% back on your advertising as long as you view advertisements from others. So excuse me there. The thing is, you're probably over the course of time probably going to spend several hundreds of dollars in advertising, testing different kinds of advertising sources. And if you are to take a few $100, whether it's at one time or over the course of a few months or so, and buy advertising with that, then your advertising will earn you more when you buy advertising by viewing other people's ads, and then you'll be able to purchase more advertising. And so in essence, you'll be able to grow the amount of volume that you're able to send to a particular link over time to a considerable amount, thousands and thousands of people per day and per month, and tens of thousands of people per month. And that's the kind of traffic that you're going to need to succeed with any of these referral type of programs. And no matter what, you're going to need that kind of source of traffic. So you might as well come somewhere where you're going to not have to keep repaying over and over and over for traffic. You can just pay one time or a few times, get a good amount of advertising purchasing going, and then they will supply you with all of the advertising funds that you will need to continue on and continue to even grow the amount of advertising that you have. So anyway, moving forward, we're going to hit Jungle Survey on Paidverts. You can find it under the Cash Offers tab here on the right hand side. Jungle Survey, get paid to view slideshows, and that's where you can earn a few cents for reading reading 40 articles here, and that will bring you to 10 cents a day because you can do this process 5 times over. So it's a lot to do manually. It's not undoable. I have done it before for several days in a row. There's a cool loyalty bonus that gives you 1% every time that 1% more every time you come to the view the slideshows and complete a slideshow for that period of day. Then you'll get 1% more the next day and the next day, and eventually you get 10% more, 20% more, up to 100% more on your ads. So it could be up to 20-25 cents a day or so that you could get as long as you're consistent. And that's one of the key things in all of this, is just staying consistent. So we got Nightfall News pulled up. Normally you go to the article, it pulls it up just like it did there, and then you gotta go down here. Oh, I got a program running in the background that's not happy. Alright. Normally then you scroll down here and you click on the next tab, and then it'll bring you to the next little article. This one's really short. So we're here and we're gonna open up iMacros. It's a Mozilla Firefox extension. There might be other extensions on other browsers. I think that you can create a macro in the Windows, but I don't know how to do that. But this macro right here, we'll take a look at it so you can see what it's going to do. Goes to Nightfall News, goes to the next button, waits 10 seconds, goes to Nightfall News again, refreshes, so you'll watch it in action here. I'll play the loop. I got it loop going 40 times, that one loop that we just saw, and I'll put that loop code down into the description for anyone that wants to implement this little trick here. Nice little trick for passive income, 10 cents a day. The computer just runs, I just set it and click the play loop there, and it'll burn through these articles on itself. You saw it refresh because it went to URGo2. You can see it performing here. It's highlighted, it's waiting 11 seconds now, and right before that it went to click the next button, and you can see that my mouse is over here. I'm not doing anything to do this. The software, the iMacros software, is clicking through the ads for me. So I just let this guy run through as I'm doing other stuff around, picking up, cleaning up, doing laundry, whatever. I just let it run. It'll run through the 40 ads, and then there's one thing at the end that you have to click, one of these little articles, in order to finish the survey. So it's not 100% passive, but about 99%, and it works to just stack up funds for advertising, because in the long run, if I did this for 10 days, then that would earn me enough money to get about 1,000 visitors on another advertising platform, and 100 visitors here on Paidverts. So I do as much as I can that makes sense for the time that I have to spend on this stuff to earn money for advertising revenue, and I'm trying to build up those passive sources so that I don't have to work on the advertising any longer, so that the advertising sources will be automated. I just buy the advertising and I go from there. Alright, so we'll end the video here. Make sure to get over to Paidverts and sign up. You can earn good money there, and by doing like microtasks, and it's one of the best advertising sources that you can get to, because like I said, once you spend a chunk of change there, you know, I'd say spend like $250 to $500 there, then you're gonna have a good traffic source that's gonna last you for a lifetime after that, as long as you just stay, you know, consistent in participating and clicking on the ads that you have to view there. Then you can also earn more, or earn, if you don't have the funds, you can do actually like I did after I came back the second time to Paidverts. The first time I put money in, but the second time I just started from the ground up. I just did lots of offers and surveys, download apps and games, and came up to level 7 right now, which earns me 20 cents a day. So every week or so I get $1, which is 100 visitors, and I'm able to raise the points that I have in order to gain up to the next level, which would be level 8, which would earn me 40 cents a day. So that will be cool there. Then it's only every 2 or 3 days that I'll be able to purchase more advertising, and that will be, you know, probably around 1,500 people a month from that platform if I just put that money right back into purchasing advertising. So, you know, it took a little while, but here coming up soon on the next level, I'll be able to, without having to spend any more money or anything like that, get about 1,500 visitors to whatever links that I want to send out. So just, if you want to go for the long haul, or you don't, because you don't have any funds to advertise, then join a bunch of these sites, click ads, do tasks, build up your crypto wallet, and then get yourself set up with automated traffic sources, and get yourself a little website going if you wanted to. That would be beneficial, but the stuff takes a lot of time. That's why I'm focusing on getting the automated stuff going, because I got other stuff I got to do too. So, alright, that's it for now. Click on the links, get signed up, and get trained up.